Oh, hi there. Watch me as I give myself a haircut. I have given myself multiple haircuts, but I have never ever done layers. So this is the first time I've ever actually done that. I'm a little nervous. This is my hair. Super, super long. Just... Alright, so in order to do the wolf cut, I have to part it down the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. The next part would be to split it into two sections. So right behind the ear, and go right behind the ear, all the way around to my crown. Which will be very hard to do, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I'll do the same thing over here. I don't know if this is a part of it, but okay. Okay, this is the best I can do for splitting it. I don't want to spend too much more time on it, so I'm just gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so I'm trying to do all the way up to the base to make that triangle. So far, so good. I got one side down. Okay, got my triangle. That's the best that I can do. Now, time to tie it up. Like that. And then I'll take the rest of this hair, put that in a ponytail too. Okay. Like that. Okay, and now we're going to do the back ponytail. You want to carve out like a round cut, like a round shape. U shape around the back. So I'm gonna go straight across first. I don't know if I can see. I have to use a mirror to see. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I think I got it. We will also be doing a ponytail. So the ponytail go up. We're gonna gather the rest of the hair, put that into a ponytail. Okay, got a ponytail in the front and a ponytail in the back. And now for the fun part. Cutting. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting right here at my chin. It looks like it's almost 6 inches long, so here we go. Okay, so it's been chopped, and now okay. And that is done. Now we're gonna cut the hair at the top. Okay, I know we're supposed to cut it straight up, so I'm gonna try my best to cut it straight up, but it is really long. I'm gonna be cutting it off that much. And I have chopped it, clean it up. It's looking a little choppy, but it'll be okay, right? Right. Okay, now let's see how it looks like. Ooh, I'm a little nervous. First ponytail down. Ooh, not bad. The back ponytail. I want to make sure I grab the right one and not the wrong one. I think this is the right one. Yep, okay. Make sure we keep that one in. And then that comes out. Oh, I like that. Look at that. That came out pretty well. Look at that. Not bad. Not bad. And now we're going to do the front. I'm gonna give myself some bangs. I'm gonna retie this. Some of my hair came out, so I don't want to mess that up. Alright. And I'm going to get it cut just right here, right below my eyebrows. I don't want to go too low. So right there. Oh, that is a lot of hair. I'm so nervous. I'm just gonna maybe move it down a little bit. Right here. Yep, right there. I have so much hair. It's so thick. So I'm trying to stay straight as possible. Look at that. Okay. Just break it apart. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay. Now for the back. This is just to add more layers. Let's see if it even connects, if my hair connects to it at all. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to just chop off just a little bit more. I'm gonna cut off that much. If I can see. No? I don't know. Okay. No truth. Okay. Back. Out. Okay, front. Out. Ooh. Okay, look at that. Wow. I think it looks good. Okay, I'm just looking at any pieces that I want to trim. I don't know, what do you guys think? I like it. Let's see if I can just fix up a little bit of my frame. Okay, so I'm going to actually trim down my hair just a little bit, just my bangs, and I really hope I don't mess this up. I'm gonna try that ponytail method again and just do like a small section of my bangs. There we go. I think that's almost. There we go. Okay, here's the triangle. Okay, put it in. Ooh. I hope I got this, guys. I hope I get this. And I'm just gonna cut it a little higher, just a little. I don't want to cut too much. Go. And that's it. And this is it, done. No styling. She will ponytail very well. If you enjoyed the video, please let me know with a thumbs up and a follow. I will be going blonde next. And then put in some color. We'll see.